Hello, in this video I'm going to very briefly talk through the calculate save standard cost for subassemblies form, which is in the admin area of the system. So to open the system you need to be logged in as a root user, and I have the form open here. Here's the button. This is for main system and Redthorn SP system. Now there's no selection on this form, however pressing the print or save button on this, what it does is it does a calculation for all the subassemblies in the system to calculate the cost, the standard cost of that subassembly based on the plannings, and it drops that cost into the material database price. So every subassembly will be visible in the material database, and if you run this, when you first enter a subassembly, it'll appear in the material database with no price on it. If you run this, it'll apply a price as the current material data price with the let's close that down, with the correct price calculated. Now this is a good thing to do if you sometimes buy subassemblies, because you'll then see those pricing. However, it can be dangerous if you have free issue subassemblies, because on the bill of materials, if those subassemblies are being free issued to you, the costing of the job may see the costing from the material database price. So it's one to not jump into running. I would only run this if you are buying a lot of subassembly from suppliers, and even if I was doing that, I would be tempted to simply go into the subassemblies you're buying in the material database and put the price in there rather than do a blanket update. But that is what this form does, and it's one of those, if there's any questions about it prior to running, have a talk through with the support help desk and go from there.